Have you ever wondered how sea eels, those elusive and mysterious creatures of the sea, survive in the depths of our oceans? Sea eels. They're not your everyday marine creatures. They are enigmatic, captivating, and a bit unnerving, aren't they? Shrouded in mystery, they've been the subject of human fascination for centuries. With their serpentine bodies and peculiar lifestyles, they've carved out a unique niche in the marine world. Let's delve into the intriguing world of these sea serpents. Sea eels, or true eels, belong to the order Anguilliformes, a group of fishes marked by their long, slender bodies that move in undulating waves, just like a snake. Their bodies are equipped with small, sharp teeth. And their eyes, oh, those eyes, they are small yet piercing, capable of spotting prey even in the murkiest waters. Their habitat? Well, it's as diverse as the species themselves. From the shallowest coastal waters to the darkest abyss of the deep sea, sea eels have adapted to thrive in an array of environments. Their elongated bodies allow them to burrow into the seabed, hide among rocks, or glide effortlessly through seagrass meadows. What makes them so adaptable? It's a combination of their biology and their unique survival strategies. Sea eels have evolved to have a low demand for oxygen, which allows them to survive in various sea conditions. Their bodies are covered with a slimy mucus that not only protects them from parasites and predators, but also helps them slide through narrow crevices and burrows. The world of sea eels is a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. It's a world that continues to pique our curiosity, as we strive to unravel the mysteries that these creatures hold. From their elongated bodies to their ability to hide in the seabed, sea eels truly are fascinating creatures. As we continue our journey, let's dive deeper into the world of these captivating sea creatures. Their anatomy, life cycle, and significance in human culture are equally intriguing and await our exploration. From their elongated bodies to their ability to hide in the seabed, sea eels truly are fascinating creatures. What sets sea eels apart from other marine creatures? Let's dive deep into their anatomy. Sea eels, a fascinating group of marine creatures, are known for their distinct elongated bodies. Unlike their fish counterparts, sea eels lack both pectoral and pelvic fins. This absence of fins gives them their characteristic snake-like movement, allowing them to maneuver effortlessly through the complex underwater terrain. This elongated body structure is not just for show. It provides a greater surface area for muscle attachment, granting them powerful and precise movements. Whether they're darting through coral reefs or burrowing into the sandy ocean floor, these creatures move with a grace and agility that is simply mesmerizing. Now let's talk about their gills. Unlike most fishes that have large gill slits, sea eels have small circular gills. Why, you ask? Well, this unique adaptation allows them to extract oxygen from the water even when they are in their burrows, ensuring they can breathe efficiently in various environments. And then there are their teeth. Sea eels boast a set of razor-sharp teeth, perfectly designed for their carnivorous diet. These teeth are not only sharp, but also exceptionally strong, enabling them to tear through the tough exoskeletons of crustaceans and the slippery skin of other fishes. Some species of sea eels even have double rows of teeth, making their bite all the more formidable. But the anatomy of sea eels goes beyond the visible. Inside, they have a complex system of organs that help them adapt to their marine environment. For instance, they have a highly developed lateral line system, a series of sensory organs running along their sides that detect vibrations and pressure changes in the water. This acts as a kind of radar, helping them locate prey and navigate their surroundings. Their unique anatomy not only sets them apart, but also equips them with the tools necessary for survival in the challenging marine environment. So the next time you see a sea eel, remember, there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. Their body is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a marvel of adaptation and survival. The life cycle of a sea eel is as mysterious as the creature itself. Let's dive into the depths of this mystery and unfold the various stages of their lives. The journey begins when the female eel lays millions of tiny, transparent eggs in the open sea. The exact location remains a mystery, but it's believed to be in the Sargasso Sea, a region in the Atlantic Ocean. These eggs then hatch into a stage known as larvae. These larvae aren't like the eels we're used to seeing. They're flat, transparent creatures, resembling a willow leaf more than an eel. These larvae are called leptocephali. Now here's where things get interesting. The leptocephali drift in the open ocean for months, sometimes even years, carried by the ocean currents. During this period, they feed on tiny particles in the sea, known as marine snow, which is a mixture of dead plants, animals, and other microscopic organisms. As the leptocephali grow, they undergo a fascinating process of metamorphosis. Their bodies start to change shape, becoming cylindrical. This is when they become glass eels. These glass eels are still transparent, but they now resemble the adult eels we're familiar with. The glass eels then migrate towards the coast, but their journey doesn't end here. They continue to grow, changing once again. This time they turn a dark color and are now called elvers. These elvers move into estuaries, rivers, and lakes, where they will spend most of their adult lives. Finally, as adults, they become fully grown sea eels, living in these freshwater habitats for several years. When the time comes, they make the long journey back to the open sea to spawn and start the life cycle all over again. Now, isn't that a captivating journey? From being a tiny, transparent egg in the open sea to becoming a fully grown eel in freshwater habitats, the transformation is nothing short of a miracle. The complex life cycle of sea eels further adds to their intriguing nature. Sea eels have not just fascinated marine biologists, but have also found a place in human culture and cuisine. These mysterious creatures have been woven into the fabric of various societies, often depicted in folklore and mythology. In many coastal communities, sea eels represent wisdom and transformation, embodying the intricate relationship between humans and the sea. Their role extends beyond symbolism, reaching into our kitchens. Sea eels, especially the ones from the Pacific and Indian Oceans, are a popular delicacy in many parts of the world. Their rich, buttery flesh is considered a gourmet's delight, particularly in Japanese cuisine. Unagi, or freshwater eel, is a staple in sushi and is celebrated annually in a midsummer day known as the Day of the Ox. Whether it's inspiring tales of wisdom and transformation or adding a unique flavor to delectable dishes, sea eels have found a way into our lives. From folklore to food, sea eels have certainly made their mark in our world. Our marine ecosystems are intricate webs of life, and sea eels play a crucial role in maintaining this balance. Just as the threads of a tapestry, each species contributes to the richness and resilience of our oceans. Sea eels are no exception. These elongated fish are both predators and prey within their ecosystems. As predators, they help control the population of smaller marine creatures. As prey, they provide vital sustenance for larger species. This dual role makes them key players in the ecological balance of marine life. However, sea eels face numerous threats today. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change are all factors that have led to a decline in their numbers. And when one thread of our marine tapestry is pulled, the entire system can unravel. Conservation efforts are therefore crucial. By protecting sea eels, we're not just preserving a single species, but also the health and diversity of our oceans. As we delve deeper into the world of sea eels, it becomes even more critical that we take steps to conserve these fascinating creatures for future generations to study and admire.